Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if I do that, thank you for doing that. If you're here, you are seeing my video for the first time. This is Act of Meaning. Thank you, love, for your love and support. So today we are going to learn how to make the fascinator, how to use our coordinates to make a fascinator. That's what we're going to do today. So let's DIY for beginners. The first thing I'm going to do here is our material. You're going to get your material. I'm going to use two types of nets, my V net, and I'm going to use my cord net. This is my wire. This is my pearl. My wire is 40 inches. My wire is 40 inches. You're going to wrap it with a paper tape. That's my coordinate. That's my feathers, my pearl, my swimming. So this is, I've already wrapped the wire. Wrapped my wire. Just what I'm doing here. I wrap it with the V-net. So I'm going to place down the coordinate and place that wire on it. Don't forget our wire is 40 inches. 40 inch. You're going to cut your wire 40 inches with your cutter and I'm going to wrap. So I'm going to put my gum glue around it. I use A6000. I'm going to put it around it. I'm going to wait for some minutes before adding it to my coordinates. Put it round. Just what I'm doing. You put it round. It's very easy. Put it round and place your net. Just place your net like this and place it inside. Very easy. The glue part is going to face the coordinates. So our next thing is we are going to start pressing it just where I'm doing it. You press it. Make sure you leave your gum for like a second before you wrap it just where I'm doing it. You bring those nails together and use your hand to press. You press it round. Check if it has glue. If not, you're going to add your glue to it. Just what I'm doing. You add your glue to it and use your hand to press down. Press it. You gather the nets together. Gather the nets together the way I'm gathering it now. You press. You keep pressing. See, it's very dry. Press it and keep doing it. It's very easy. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Queen Pretty, and don't forget to follow our Facebook illustration as of Minon, as we're going to see our next video. Just see it. You press. Use your hand to press it. Just where I'm doing it. You leave it to dry. Make sure you press it very well. Make sure none of the net is coming out. Yes, you cut out the excess out to make it neatly. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. It's easy for beginners. If you are beginners, this video is very useful for you. So you're going to just use your streaming to cover the working part and go back to the hub and use your streaming at the hub. You glue it round. I'm going to glue it round with your hot glue. Just see what I'm doing. Very easy. Just see what I'm doing. You glue it round. So this is the center of the fascinator. At the center, just see what I'm doing. Draw it up. Just see what I'm doing. Then you use the V-net to tie it. You can use a needle and thread to tie it, and you can still sew it to needle and thread. You tie it so that shape is going to come out. The beauty of this fascinator is the shape. Make sure the shape is out. Then you tie it. You tie. You can still use a needle and thread to sew it if you want to. Just see what I'm doing. I'm going to add my feathers to it. I've already had my hot glue to it and I'm adding my feathers to it. You add your feathers. You add enough feathers you want to add to it. Just face the feathers just where I'm doing it. That's what I'm doing. Very easy. Then I have my silver flower here. Use the hot glue on on the flower. Just see what I'm doing. Yes, that's my hot glue. You press it down. Make sure you press it down with the fascinator. Just see what I'm doing. This is beautiful. Just see what I'm doing. Next thing we're going to do now, I'm going to just see what I'm doing now. I want to add my pearl, and I'm going to add my Alice band. I use my rubber band. I use rubber band. You can use Alice band. You can use the band. You can use the rubber. So I'm going to pearl it round. So see what I'm doing, right? So next I'm going to do is I'm going to glue my Alice band to it. This is my Alice band. This is elastic band. Elastic band. The inches I use 50 inches. You can use 50, 60, 70 inches. If you want it to be firm on your head, use 50 inches. And if you want to use loose on your head, use 70 inches. That is vinyl look, guys. Just see it. That's vinyl look, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Just look at it. This is beautiful. I love it. Thank you for your love and your support. I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Don't forget to go to Facebook and follow our illustration group page at Art of Mina. Bye. Love you guys.